Either you can emphasize, remember, empower the great qualities of Shiva which you have and start radiating them, and ultimately radiate all the great auspicious energies of Shiva, or go on giving power, remembering, empowering the qualities which you think you don't have now. Your choice. When I say you are Shiva, immediately you start rationalizing. No. All these qualities of Shiva I don't have. How can I be Shiva? Understand, I am very clearly declaring, you are all Shiva. We are all Shiva. We are all enlightened. Please understand, this is existential truth, not rational truth.